Hello guys, welcome back to NFTins. But for today's video, here are going to show you or discuss with you how to reset Maytag Bravos XL washer to factory settings. So if you're interested, let's get started. So in this case, there are going to be a number of steps that you need to do here in order for you to reset your washer. So first thing you want to do is you want to unplug your washer from the power source and just wait for about 1 minute. So this actually allows you to drain any power that was left on your washer here. Now next is you want to plug the washer back into the power outlet. Then you want to press both the start button and the power button at the same time. So there's two buttons that you see here. Now, from then on, you want to make sure that you hold this for about 10 seconds, and once 10 seconds is up, release both buttons. Now, the display might show a series of lights or codes, so which means that the reset process has started. Now, allow the washer to complete the reset, which in this case may take about a few minutes. So during this time, the display may flash or show different lights, but from then on, once it's done, you should be good. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.